Hi, my name is Saddam and I'm one of the co-founders of Builderkit. So today in this video, I'll give you a quick walkthrough of running the MultiLLM ChatGPT app and test it completely. So first, let's go to the documentation of Builderkit and under the AI app, select the MultiLLM ChatGPT. Make sure that you already have access to the starter or pro plan of the private GitHub repository of Builderkit. Since I already have access to the pro plan, I'll select this command. Then I'll open the terminal and move towards go to the desktop directory since I want my project to be in the desktop directory. And let's name the project as MultiLLM ChatGPT. It will take few seconds to download the project from GitHub to your local system. Now that the download has completed, we can just close this terminal and open the project in our cursor editor. You can also use VS Code as per your feasibility and requirements. So I'll open the MultiLLM ChatGPT and I'll just open the terminal. First, we'll need to switch our branch to MultiLLM ChatGPT branch where the code for this app exists. So by default, it is in the main branch. We can either paste and run this command in the terminal or click on this main, search for MultiLLM and select the MultiLLM ChatGPT. After that, we will have to install the required package dependencies that are required for this project. So for let's run this command npm install. If you are using npm node package manager, you can use npm command. In my case, I'll be using pnpm. Now that the package dependencies has been installed, I just need to create a env file for the environment variables. So for that, let's run this command again in the terminal, and you can see here .env.local file has been created. So here we just need to configure the variables now. For the app URL in the local host, I'll just put it http localhost 3000. In the production, you can put your domain or the project URL, whatever it is. And after that, we just need to configure all these variables here. After the environment variable set configuration is done, let's move forward to the next steps. Here we need to create a Superbase table for this MultiLLM ChatGPT. Make sure that you already have a user table created in your Superbase. In my case, I already have a users table that has been already created in my Superbase. So I'll just move forward with creating the MultiLLM ChatGPT table in that project. So let's copy this SQL script. Go to the SQL editor in the project, paste this script and click on run. And you can see a new table has been created named MultiLLM ChatGPT. After that, we need to sync our Superbase table schema. Basically, this table schema needs to be synced with our local system, local project. So for that, let's follow these steps again. So first step is to create we need to log into Superbase from our VS Code. So run this command Superbase login, press enter, and it will automatically create an access token and sync with your project. After that, we'll just need to run this command Superbase init, type y and hit enter. So initialization has been done. Now we will just run this command to sync the project schema with it. So for that, we need a project ID. So how we can retrieve the project ID is you can go to this Superbase project, and here after the project, this section is your project ID. Otherwise, you can also go to project setting and find the project ID here for yourself there. So let's go replace it and hit enter. So now you can see our project schema has been synced, and if you go to this src and type Superbase, you can see the complete schema has been synced with your local system, local project. The next step is that since we have done all the configuration of environment variable setup and Superbase setup, the project is ready to run. So for that, we'll run this command, run npm run dev or pnpm run dev. So open the terminal and run pnpm run dev. So here you can see the project is running on localhost 3000. So let's go to open a new tab and run localhost 3000. So here you can see our project is live on localhost 3000. And now let's click on get started. Here, as you can see, our project is live and we can able to access our MultiLLM ChatGPT dashboard. Now here you can see there are multiple chat models available that are integrated with Builderkit. So you can select any of them and then try to search or test it out. For example, what is Google? As you can see, we have just got the response here. So yeah, that is it for this demo. Thank you. Bye bye.